Hello everyone, this is Ms. Qureshi, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your very own infographic. An infographic is basically a poster that explains or distributes information in a graphic or visually interesting way. I recommend using pictochart.com. When you get there, create your own login and it will redirect you to your dashboard. When you get to your screen that looks like this is where on the left side you can go and you can click on some options that will take you to some templates. You can create a blank template or sift through and look for templates that appeal to you. I'm going to hit create new, and this is where you can either click presentation, printable, but for me I'm just going to click infographic. If you're not really finding anything that you want to use, you can actually search for what it is you're looking for. Once you find a template, just click Use Template. And then this will take you to the editor. On the left side of the screen is where you can find different options for graphics, lines, shapes, pictures. You can click on anything in the template and you can resize it. In the uploads, that's where you can actually upload your own pictures from your computer. The editor works in a drag and drop method. Once you drag the images or any content that you want to use, you can resize it, and notice the orange line that appeared. That will help you to center any elements in your poster. Go through and click on any items that you want to edit. You can hit the delete or backspace button on your keyboard to get rid of anything you don't want. I'm going to click on graphics and look for ways I can add lines or any other interesting graphics that will help make my poster more visually appealing and easy to follow and read and understand. You can add clip art graphics to make your poster more interesting. The biggest piece of advice that I can give anyone who's making their very first infographic is that infographic posters are very, very easy and simple to make, especially on this website, Pictochart. However, I want you to remember that what really matters when you're making this is the design. Is your infographic easy to read? Is it easy to understand? An infographic is an informative or informational poster or graphic. It's one of many, many ways to make information public, but make it very easy and interesting to read, especially for people who are more visual learners. Once you go through, make sure that you get rid of anything that's part of the original template but not your own. You can change the background, and again, this is the drag and drop method. And you can always hit that undo button, that left arrow at the top, if you want to get rid of anything or undo anything that you did. Once you've looked it over and you think your infographic is ready to go, on the top left, you can title your infographic file. On the top right, make sure you hit save. You can either download or share. I'm going to hit the share button so you can see what that does. The share button will give you a link that you can email to anyone, and if they click on the link, it will take them to pictochart.com where they can see your poster. But I recommend downloading. You're going to want to download the PNG, which just turns it into a regular picture file. Normal quality, and hit the download button, and make sure you save it to your drive. It's likely that it will go directly to your downloads folder on the computer. Make sure you click on it and check to see that it looks exactly the way you want it to look. Once you're finished, make sure you log out. And that's it. You've successfully created your very first infographic poster.